Hey, in this video, I am going to show you how to create the green screen effect and make a quick green screen video for your Reels. So here we go. The first step is to go into Instagram. And then at the top, you're going to click on that. Let me just show you really quickly. Red. At the top, you're going to click on this plus sign right here. Do you see that plus sign? So top right. And then when you click on that plus sign, it's going to open up this tab that says create. And you've got a whole bunch of things that you can create. Choose Reels. That's what we're working with today. So you're going to choose Reel. And then after you choose Reel, we are going to keep moving in this video. Here we go. Now it's going to open up the Reel section. So the next thing that we're going to do is at the bottom where it has this plus symbol to add an image or a video, we're going to upload one of the videos in my on my camera roll on my phone that I want to use as my green screen background. Now you can upload just a flat image, just an image, or a video. In this case, I did a video. So again, you're going to click on that image right there, click on that plus sign, and then that's just me waving at you. And then after you do that, it's going to open up your camera roll. Now at the top, do you see right here up at the top, it says green screen? You're going to click on that button. I should have made it green, right? You're going to click on that button right there that says green screen, and it won't really do anything, but you're going to click the media that you want to use, whether it is a photo or, you know, an image or a video. You're going to click on it. So in this case, I clicked on this video right here. So I clicked on the video because that's what I want behind me, and I'm going to talk about it. Okay. So now I choose green screen. I choose the video. And then now I'm just getting ready. So now it's allowing you to pinch the video and move it. So you just take your two fingers. I'm going to pinch it. I'm going to move it. And I'm just looking for a great place to position myself on this. I'm like, okay, there I go. So I did position myself bottom left, and now I just start talking. So we can watch it. I'm just talking, right? Looking around to show you what different people are selling on this. So I'm just talking about what's basically on the video. I'm just touring one of my favorite websites, and I just keep going. And if you've ever wanted to take a skill that you have and turn it into an online business, Fiverr is the place for you. It's the website that I tell all my students. So that's it. I just keep going. At the end of this video, you can see, right, as soon as I lift up on my finger to stop the recording of it, here we go. And now it's going to lead me right here to be able to publish the reel. So I'm going to add the caption and share it, and I'm done. So that's how easy it is to do a green screen video. So whatever image you want behind you, this is how you can do it. Again, I selected a video. You could have just selected an image and done a green screen. Such a easy thing to do. Find a news article that you like, talk about, you know, the stock market, right? Put an image of the market behind you. Anything that you want to talk about, you can put behind you. You can even put an image of yourself, or you can draw something on a whiteboard, take a picture of it, put it behind you. It doesn't matter. Such an easy way to create content and to create Reels. I hope you use it.